mochail min jach and jachach me a balai. Jane me mochail min jachach yun can roll yorsama. Jane me mochail min jachach a me fair na hatch. Hook me gas the morning you can hear a shot the hobble. Then hoshi curie can a shroud the fill it off and hand. Hook me done a pale us a point to do me wish a crush and hoshi curie grow and I'm stuck in hair of God.
Hallo? How warm ma hang a Jew? Ha mi gupir an sa voo an Jew. A vilu tolvaun? Gleva. Trot.
Hallo? Kimmer a hashiv? Ha warm ma haun? Ha meirat an sa voo? Ha mi tolvaun? Ha mi gyri brickish? Trot.
Trot. Come on. Trot. Trot and show. Come here. Here's how it works.
Sparka, sparka, trot, trot, trot and show, Gleva.
Trot and show. Come here. Can show. Trot and show. Trot and show. Come here. And show means here, so and shin must mean there. And show here and shin there. Fisker maach a trainer. Kimmer a housje.
Hag ma, tachbelib. Ha fisker man.
Fisker, afternoon. Ha fisker ma aun. It's a fine afternoon.
Ha fisker man.
Ha, good giraffe. Je has je vikiri. Fjol oer. Wel je vikiri fjol oer.
How? Calciavilli.
Shinny.
A bit banya akav.
Ha banya and shin.
Tachbelib. Ha mi giri salin.
Gleva. Salin. Shinne. Shagahim. Ikistay. Ha fisker ma.
Ha kutjerav, a chai chehumui.
Heen. Trot and show.
Shevach a trainer. Cheho gyri.
Coffee. And talat coffee.
Stel.
And talat coffee. Do you like coffee? Stalum coffee. I like coffee. And talat. Do you like? Cansho. And talat coffee. And talat coffee. Now, let's try I like coffee. Stalum coffee. Cansho. Stalum coffee. Stalum coffee. And talat coffee.
Stel. Stelum coffee. And halat coffee.
Chatal. Chatalum coffee.
Cha-ta-lum coffee. I don't like coffee. Cansho. Cha-ta-lum coffee. And talat means do you like? And talat. The lat here is the same word as in tahbalat and lat. Lat is a combination of le and u and means with you. Then in chatalum, I don't like. Chatalum, the lum is a combination of le and me and means with me. Chatalum, I don't like. Normally, when replying to a question, you would use a shortened version. You'd say, stul, I like, or chatal, I don't like. Je has je verkeri.
Wel,
Has je een keer prikjes?
A vel je verkeri brickish.
Has je een keer prikjes?
Sheen, the plural, we. Ha sheen geri, we want. Can sho. Ha sheen geri. A vel je verkeri brickish.
ha, has je keer prikkish. Prikkish goed.
Kleva, prikjes goed.
Shin iat. Shin iat. There they are. Iat means they. Shin iat. Can sho. Shin iat. There they are.
Ahim, troot een show.
Die hansjen.
Kote,
Kote?
han kote bria.
Ha, ach a kote akket.
Ha isakem, ach mi geri kote oud.
Kote oer?
A vel je verkeri kot oer.
Haniel.
Ha, ha mi geri kote oud.
Kote oer. A new coat. Can sho. Kote oer.
Hulle me.
Hai bria. Hai uavasach bria.
Shin schachket via.
Gaan je ook geri schachket oud. Troot.
Tapelef.
Tachbelach te heen. Troot.
Ach a Katriane.
Zeg.
A prikkish. Ha mek jori prikkish goed.
Shin iat.
Jay.
Prikkish goed.
Ha mi ski. Ha mi geri kope tea. Weet je wat geri kope tea?
Ha tapelef.
A prikkish. A prikkish goed.
Als je niet van af. Troot.
Kat je wel shin je tal.
Als je net al gach.
Hashin geri tea.
Kleva. A shin je tal gachig.
Ha sheen atol gachi. We are going home. Can sho. Ha sheen atol gachi. A villain coat bla.
Ha. Han kote blauw. Hij onwissig blauw.
A villu bla.
Ha. Ha mi oavasach bla.
Uavasach bla. Very warm. Uavasach. Very or terribly. Uavasach bla. Can sho. Uavasach bla. Ha uavasach bla. It is very warm. Although we've covered some new ground, this program is mainly a revision program. A heem
Sure.
and tellach and kata oer.
Stel.
Wil ook geri koffie.
Haniel gaat tellem koffie. A vil teaket.
Heen.
Sure.
Ha mij dat ik geri kope tea. En wel tea ik het een chin.
Ha. Ha tea and shaw. Shin. Kuchba tea.
Tapele ve heen. A vilu ski.
Ha. Ha mi ski.
A gaat trienne. Kaartje ville banje.
Heen, kaart wil een banje.
And shin.
A heem. Jay how Janif?
Jay hami Janif. Hami gal mo vier.
Ha mi gal mo vier. Can show. Ha mi gal mo vier. Ha mi gal mo vier. Girl is having or taking in the sense of having tea or having dinner. Ha mi gal mo vier. Try it again. Ha mi gal mo vier. Mo means my. You'll notice that the word vier is aspirated after mo. Mo vier, my food. Do vier, your food. Hamid dulich. How gal do vier.
Ha, hami gal mo vier.
A vairad. Sure. A vil ook geri fjol oer.
Ha, stelm fjol oer.
Him.
Sure, Jay how Gary.
Has je een geri fjol oer? Jou, Janif.
Chanel Carl.
A vil ook kopit?
Chanel. Chanel mi kopper itcher. Troot spaker.
Him. Troten show. Kaatje wil u toch?
Hashin of halaf.
Kaatje wil je toch?
Ha Kelly aan ze waar nog aus Hashin het alaun.
Oh.
Fisker Malev.
Fisker malachte him.
Him. Had de wiegen show.
Ha Isaacum. Ach Hashin of halaf. Fisker Malach de Katrine.
Fisker ma.
Fisker ma. Fisker ma lacht. Good afternoon to you. And that other expression, ha mi gal mo vier, I'm taking my food. In Gaelic, this can mean your lunch, your tea, or your dinner. Colloquially, it would correspond to the English, I'm eating my meal. Though there's a special word in Gaelic for eating. Gal covers all the situations. Ha mi gal mo vier. Today's language section comes from a croft on South Uist.
Hello.
O, trawt y stwy. A pisgar maham.
Gyda heip la.
A coffi ac am yn siaf yn tylet coffi.
Stel.
Lo gyr y cwpa.
Tablef.
Lo gwael banias y coffi.
Chanel ham gyda coffi dw.
Siwch gyr.
Tablef.
O, dje hau gyri.
Spain.
O, ham i dwrig. Siet ag at spa.
Tablef.
100 years ago, most crofters supplemented their diet by fishing, and many still fish the inshore waters for lobsters and whitefish. The waters around the islands are one of the last areas in Europe which are still rich in marine life, and there are communities like this on Eris, where fishing is a full-time job.
Eris on a typical weekday, an island where children can safely play without fear of traffic, where the wind dries faster than any spin dryer can, at least on a fine day. But it demands a lot of its womenfolk, for island living imposes its own pattern on family life. The men are away from home for most of the week.
Det kommer här nysta man.
Nej, det är jättebra.
Ja, jag kan ta ett period.
The sea and the fish it provides are essential to Eris's livelihood. The 250-strong community couldn't survive without them. 3/4 of the island's wage earners, 30 of the 39 working men, are fishermen. For Eris, the sea means survival.
Als je raad steunen, is het niks tegen worden. Je raad te steunen. Daar is het je moet je dus in dat jet over.
If the fishing were to fail, men like Michael McKinnon and his brothers would have to seek a living elsewhere, perhaps as merchant seamen, or by moving their families to the mainland in search of work. In either case, the community would suffer. Here, the living may be hard, but at least they remain part of their Gaelic background and take their language to sea with them. Life has never been easy. Eris is beautiful, but small and hardly fertile. The islanders' ancestors were dumped there from the greener pastures of South Uis, Barra and Skye during the clearance days of the 19th century. They were the original crofter fishermen, men who scraped little more than a subsistence livelihood for their families from tiny plots of land and what they could glean from the sea and the shore. Gradually, the sea took over. Nowadays, the crofts are important as family bases rather than agricultural units. Only 40 of them are still worked, and the only crop is potatoes. The Eris men are now professional fishermen, and with modern boats like these, costing something like £100,000, professional is what they have to be. Eris has 5 such boats and a number of smaller lobster boats, and the value of the catch is shared among crew members. In 1976, before the Hebridean fisheries hit the present slump, the Eris men caught their share of the £2.5 million worth of fish landed in the Western Isles. A considerable contribution to the nation's larder from a small island community.
Last week's serial ended with Alistair spilling a pint of beer over his new trousers and Dahl discovering a new tourist line, tartan bags.
Goel, G how Gianov?
Jay?
G han shinakat?
Throw the show, Eli. Show.
Well.
Tell it that.
Stel hat bria goel. Steljem shin. Du agus Jerak agus Gav. Agus shin Black Watch. Agus Royal Stewart. Agus Campbell of Argyll. Has shin bria.
Ah, Jay has shot.
Chanjeli sakam.
Wil je weer keer koffie?
Ha tapelat Anna.
Goeie.
Oh,
Wil u een keer koffie?
coffee. Ha, gleva tablet. Anna, throw the show.
Jay?
Satma.
Stella met the goal.
Throw it, Anna.
Ha mi eisiau gen of coffi.
Ha mi dwlu.
Eli, y fel yw gyr i banio agos siwgr ond sy'n coffi.
Chanel, ha mi geri coffi dŵ, a chanel mi geri siwgr eisiau.
Hangover?
Och, wyst.
Han coffi agaf i'r y fod.
Glefant taplet. Jet y fech, Ganna.
Chatylem sio idr. Ha mi dwlu hi goel a chatylem idriad.
Wel, chan i lysacam.
Haes acam sy. Chanelad ma idr. Chanel.
Och, wyst, Janna. Had bria.
Ha iat ma.
Ha sin ma. A cha mi eisiau geri tastan.
Vil i ein y gwpr i Joeli?
Ha. He mwy i'r fata.
Hallo, Shaw Craft Center. Jay? Iain? Fesgar yn jw mwy i'r fata? Fel ac yma? Co? Ha Eli y sio. Eli, trwt y sio. A dyn i'r ffôn.
Co, hawn.
Chan i lysacam, sio.
Hello. Eli yn sio.
Sy si ys, Eli?
Iawn. I'r fata. Co ti fyle? Ans yn hospital. Tapelef.
Je hawn, Eli.
Iawn. Hij ans yn hospital.
O.
Sio, Eli. Ha sy'n dolgachu.
Trwyd gach ni.
Als je een keer een dochter mag kloot aan een room 3, een dochter mag kloot en een dochter Cameron, room 3, tapelen. Oei. Ja. En moet je aan zijn vader doen? Ik zal nog eens een hospital.
Ach, hij aan zijn hospital. Agos hasyn, ma?
How, Anna?
Y fel yw gyr i cwp y ti.
Tea? Gaan jullie zeggen?
Och, isht ha ti, ma.
Oh. Ja.
Isht jullie sio Alistair.
Ah, hello. Wel, ha blast I sio.
A feesger man, Alistair.
Cym rai iawn, Eli?
Gaan jullie zeggen?
Ha mi dwlu. Ha i ans yn hospital.
Ja. Hij aan zijn hospital nog.
A wel, ha yn hospital sio glefa. Gwas dau?
Ha, Anna. Hij aan zijn kitchen, Jen of tea.
Oh.
Nien va, Alistair. Nien va. Agus hij bria.
Fesgar ma, Anna.
Hallo, Alistair. Fel yw gyr i cwp y ti.
Ha tapelet.
Hello? Camera Harshiv. Program 5 was called Avata, on the boat. Notice the aspiration of the noun bata with the preposition it becomes a vata, on the boat. Program 5 was largely a revision program, at least as far as the grammar was concerned, but we did introduce sthalum, which means I like. An talat, do you like, and cha talum, I don't like. Let's take another look at them. Sthalum, coffee. Cha talum, coffee. I don't like coffee. Can show cha talum, coffee. And of course, there's the shorter version you use in a reply to a question. Stal, I like, or chatal, I don't like. Chatalum in the shortened form becomes chatal. Cansho, chatal. Stalum in the shortened form becomes stal. Cansho, stal. So the question could be, Antalat coffee, and your answer would be stal, or if you didn't like it, it would be chatal. Then we had mo, meaning my, and do, meaning your in this program. That's two more words which cause aspiration, mo and do. Take the word bier, food. Mo bier is my food. Boo changes to voo, and similarly bier, do bier, your food. Ha mi agal mo bier, I am having my food or my dinner. In this case, that expression can cover any of the main meals. Ha mi agal mo bier, I am having my dinner, my lunch, my tea. Try it again. Ha mi gal mo bier. Can show. Ha mi gal mo bier. Ha mi gal mo bier. We've had two ways of saying my and yours so far in the series. An car acum means my car. Mo bier means my food, but there's a limited number of places in which mo and do are the preferred forms of my and your. A gal mo bier is one of them. You'll be coming across one or two others later on. Normally, you can use either mo, do for my and yours, or the acum construction as in an car acum, my car. But in modern Gaelic, there's a preference for the acum, acov construction. In this program, we've concentrated on building up your vocabulary. We've added tea to coffee, and the word tea differs from coffee in two ways. First, it's feminine, which means that if I want to say it is hot, referring to the tea is hot, it is hot, then it's I you use, not e. Ha I che, it is hot. Secondly, the first letter of T doesn't aspirate after a preposition. If we take the word coffee, coffee becomes a coffee with aspiration, but T remains the same. It's ounce and tea without aspiration. Banya, ounce and tea. Siúchar, ounce and tea. To the two words shin, that, and shin, there, we've now added the words seo, meaning this, and anseo, meaning here. Seo, of course, can stand as a pronoun on its own. Ha, seo, ma. This is good. Ha, seo, ma. Or it can be used as an adjective. An car seo, meaning this car. An car seo. An seo means here.
Če has je verkeeri?
Wel, has je een keer die prikjes?
A welche verkeeri prikjes?
Has je een keer die prikjes?
Ha sin gyri. We want. Can sio. Ha sin gyri. A fel sif gyri brickish.
Ha sin je gyri brickish. Brickish who?
Gleva. Brickish who?
Shin iat. Shin iat. There they are. Iat means they. Shin iat. Can sio. Shin iat. There they are. We introduce the word very or terribly, which is uavasach. It's more forceful than gle. Gleva. Quite good to very good. Uavasach ma. Extremely good. It even sounds more forceful. Uavasach ma. Hai gleva. Oh, hai uavasach ma. Then we had a tol gachi, going home. Gachi meaning home. We used it in conjunction with sheen, we. So let's have a look at it. Ha sheen a tol gachi.
Ha mi ski. Ha mi geri cwp o tea. Vet je wat geri cwp o tea?
Ha tapelef.
A brickish. A brickish who?
Ha sin e fawaf. Trwyd.
Gaat je wel sin je dal?
Ha sin e dol gachi.
Ha sin gyri tea.
Gleva. Ha sin je dal gachi.
Ha sheen a tol gachi. We are going home. Can sio. Ha sheen a tol gachi. Gleva. A vil sif a gopir can sio. Gleva. Ha mi a fawaf. Fisker ma.